This is Ray, W2RE from Remote Ham Radio, and we're going to tram down the C31XR. We're going to replace this with a 2X arrays work antenna up on this tower, sitting at 2,100 feet above sea level. And we're going to tram this bad boy right down. You see the tram line going down to the red truck there, and we have Lee WW2DX down here ready to start lowering the rope. And here we go. All right, Lee, hold up. Lee, hold up. What you got to do is, you're going to have to pull the tram line out more. Up, not, maybe not. Go ahead now. The wind stopped. Okay, that's a C31XR, and basically it landed right on top of the Magnum 240. Not exactly the way we wanted to go down, but it went down with no problem. This is Ray, W2RE, from Remote Ham Radio 73.